Hello, my name is Liam Lutner, and I'm going to show you today how to make paste out of micro pellets. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. So, I've got my micro pellets, which I buy from a market stall in my local town, which is like 1 kg for £2, so it's quite good. So I've got about a handful and a half. I'm not making much. And so I've got my hot water. So just put that there. Got my hot water. And I just put a drop in. And if you look, they are soaking all of that up. So in a few minutes, they should be soaked up. So as you can see, it's absorbed the water now. It's gone a bit sloppy. So it's just enough, like it's a bit like peanut butter at the moment, pretty much. And as you can still see, there's a few pellets still left in there. But there's a lot of smell coming off that at the moment. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get a bit more water, put that in, and that'll soak in now. So I'll get back to you when it's soaked up. So I'm back again now. It hasn't soaked up a lot, so what I'm going to do is get a fork, and don't want to spill it everywhere. I'm just going to stir it up. So it's a bit sloppy at the moment. It's just got to let the pellets soak it all up. So now, as you can see, it's getting a bit more sloppy, but there's still some dry contents in there. It's getting thicker. Bring it up here now. And now, what I like to do is this tub is betaine green ground bait, and normally when I get it, it's got loads of pellets in and stuff. But I think that seems to. I'd like to add them myself, so I normally just get a sieve and sieve them out and then some nice clear ground bait. And what I do is I'll just get a little bit of this, sprinkle it in, maybe a bit more, just a few pinches, and this gives it a bit more oomph, if you get what I mean. So put it back in the sink, give a bit of a mix. So now I've put some of that betaine in, mixed it up, and now it's a bit hot at the moment. But as soon as this cools down, it should go a bit firmer. But there is a perfectly good paste. Can't really fault that. So, even though you might think I've spoiled just the micro pellets, because I've put all that stuff in it, the betaine, but if you smell it, it gives it a proper good kick, so it's actually made it a lot more better. And eventually when that dries up, so look, it's there, all nice and dry, it's going to go a bit dry. I might put a little bit more betaine in it after, but so I'm putting a video up. I'll show you the next video from when I use this. So thank you for watching, and this is how you make your own paste then. So it's association with Miracle Baits. Thank you for watching. Tight lines and wet nets.